what I want to do next is to create these terraces for the rice field in one part of the island. I think it's a good exercise, and I think they look really nice, and we can have a lot of fun creating this. So let's go. Let's come back to our scene. So here we have our scene. I want to have this rice field in this area, so I will do the same thing. I'm going to put like a height field paint, and let me select this area in here. So this one could be really cool. Maybe the height field could come to this area also, like this. And yeah, I think this is great. Let me just take away from this edge a bit. So yeah, here. So now we have a mask. We can do HF blur mask blur. Okay, so just to have a bit more control. And now HF terrace. Before that, I like to blur with the ring, but just this area. Yeah, great, flat. And now we can put HF terrace, and just in this area, masked area. So alright, so we have this. So let's compute the range. So it's going to give us everything, and let's decrease this to 3. So we have a max step size of 3 meters. If we have a look in this to see if we have a person here, so these one are smaller, but look, this one, it's a bit bigger. And if you look to the other reference here, see the people here. So here I would say 1 meter, maybe less, but also in some areas like this is maybe 2 or 3 meters. This is also much higher. This is really big. So it varies, but I would say maximum 3 meters, something like that. So let's get back the terrace to this, and I'd like to start in 5 meters and end this around 35 meters. Don't know if that's enough. I don't know if we have a bug in the viewport. Yeah, probably yes. Let's come back. Yeah, here we have. So we're having our terraces around this area, and they look really nice. Yeah, we don't need to change. I think it's nice. I was looking for this transition in the bottom. They look nice. So maybe we can give a bit of fade, like 0.1. Let's see what happens. Just make it, no, we can have it 0. Yeah, here we have a lot of control over a lot of parameters on this rice field, but normally it's more for, you would use more for geological transition, that it's not totally flat. But for us, we actually want to be exactly like this, so that's really good. I would also output this, and let me call this, let me put a no here. Let's call this rice fields mask. So we can use this for the scatter and for other things. C black. And now we also going to place an output node. I don't know if we are going to use this, but it's nice to have. So we don't need a lot of resolution for this one, so I'd say this one is enough. Mask, this is rice fields, and save to disk. So yeah, it's looking awesome. I'm really liking it. Look, the beaches here. We can now have like some masks for the rocks, the cliffs in here. So let's do that. HF mask by feature. Okay, this one, awesome. This one we want by slope, and we want just totally vertical. It's good. Maybe we don't even need that. And let's see where we have these cliffs. Awesome. Yeah, it's cool. I like this a lot. Okay, so that's great. This one is important, the resolution, because we will have all the details there. So let's kind of, so yeah, we don't need to, I would just write there, but it's okay. FG widths 496 mask auto remap, and save to disk. There's something here. I don't want that to be in the cliff, so yeah, we need to do something about that. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to, let's do HF mask. Let's do HF mask draw mask. It's not here. HF draw. Yeah, this one. So let's place it in here. Okay. And this one we're going to maybe subtract, and so yeah, we don't have the rice fields. Doesn't make any sense to have them there, so let me resave this. That's good for this one. I want to have two more masks. One is for the bottom here, and one is for the grass. The grass would be everything, so yeah, the grass is everything, so I will have one for the under the water, and this one, let's do HF mask by feature. Yeah, this one, let's have this by height, and we don't need to compute the range, because yeah, we can compute the range, but we can say the maximum height would be -1. So we have maybe -0.5, and don't have much of this. Yeah, so we have a sand bottle. Yeah, but this together with this one, I want to get the same one here. Or maybe, yeah, this one. But this one I want to subtract from this one. So we have some variations. I don't want to have everything on sand, so I want to have this, and also I would like to have more of that. Yeah, so that's awesome. Great. Let's save this one. Let's copy and paste this one. Connect. Okay. So this would be ocean ocean ground. Okay, and save to disk. Okay, so in the next one we will start to give some life and some texture to this terrain. I think it's looking really nice. I'm really liking it. So I'll see you in a bit.